Want to land a high-paying tech job in 2025? Whether you're into AI, web dev, hacking, or game design, learning the right language can change your life. Let's break down the top 5 programming languages you should master this year. I'll tell you what each language is used for, why it's in demand in 2025, and who should learn it. No fluff, just facts. Let's start. Number 1, Python, which is all-rounder. Python is still king in 2025. Why? AI, data science, automation, and even cybersecurity tools all use Python. It's beginner-friendly and everywhere. If you're into machine learning, automation, scripting, or ethical hacking, learn Python. Number 2, JavaScript. Also known as the web powerhouse, JavaScript runs the web, and it's not going anywhere. In 2025, it powers everything from websites to mobile apps to backend servers. With frameworks like React, Vue, and Node.js, JavaScript is a must-have for front-end and full-stack developers. Number 3 is Go, the cloud favorite. Go is the must language if you are into cloud computing, DevOps, and scalable backend systems. Built by Google, it's fast, efficient, and powers tools like Docker and Kubernetes. If you're into infrastructure, cloud, or systems programming, you must learn Go. Number 4 is Java. The enterprise veteran, Java may feel old, but it's everywhere. Banking apps, Android, backend systems. It's stable, scalable, and in high demand. It is still a top pick for enterprise jobs and big companies. And finally, number 5 is Rust, which is cybersecurity and performance-based. Rust is blowing up in 2025. Why? It's memory safe, fast, and secure, perfect for system programming, WebAssembly, and cybersecurity tools. Even Microsoft and Google are rewriting parts of Windows and Android in Rust. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.